Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Fortnite HWID ban. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open the Epic Games launcher on your PC or laptop and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now, once you are logged into your account, navigate to the Library tab at the left side of your screen to get the installed games page. After that, look for the Fortnite game tile and uninstall it. After it is uninstalled completely, open any type of preferred browser and search for Revo Uninstaller. Now open the first website and download the software by going to the Downloads tab. After you have the software installed on your PC, run it and the interface will look something like this. Now look for the both Epic Games applications and uninstall it. Now open Run by pressing Windows plus R on your keyboard and search for regedit. After the service has been launched, press the Control key plus F and search for Fortnite. After you get to a file like this, delete it and repeat the process until all of the files have been removed. After that, again open the Finder dialog box, but this time search for Epic Games and delete the files just like before. After both of the apps along with their files have been removed, open Settings and turn off all of these sliders in the General tab under Privacy Settings. After doing all of the above steps, open a browser of your choice and search for PC. Spoof Discord. Now download any legit spoof or spoof your location again. Install the Epic Games launcher and download Fortnite again. So that's basically how you can fix Fortnite HWID ban. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.